In 1780, the island of Mauritius faced an unexpected ecological crisis. The dodo, a flightless bird, had vanished, leaving the island's ecosystem in disarray. Without the dodo, the calvaria tree, which relied on the bird to spread its seeds, began to decline. This peculiar relationship highlighted how predators and prey maintain balance. But what happens when one disappears? The island's ecosystem struggled, showing the delicate dance of nature. Could the extinction of one species lead to the downfall of another? This historical event reminds us of the intricate connections in nature and the importance of preserving biodiversity.